wa.
Ó ti yá wa.
Ó ti yá wa.
Ó ti yá wa.
Tèmítọ́pẹ́, gbé oúnjẹ lọ fún àwọn tí wọ́n jókòó níbẹ̀ yẹn.
Ó ti yá wa.
Béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn wípé ṣé ó ti yá wọn.
Ó ti yá wa.
We say ṣé ó ti yá yín. Ṣé ó ti
yá mi.
yá yín.
Yá mi.
And then you respond, ó ti yá wa.
Yá wa.
All right. I'll say it again. Remember. Béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn pé ṣé ó ti yá yín. Ṣé ó ti yá wọn láti jẹun.
Ṣé ó ti yá mi.
Yín
Mi.
láti jẹun.
Ó ti yá wa.
You're answering their part. We do it one more time. They will say ó ti yá wa, right? Because they've been watching all the jollof rice going to the other tables, right? And this time, if they don't say line up, go and take your food, it's like they're gonna serve you on your table. Yes.
So we wouldn't say ó ti yá wa jẹun.
Ó ti yá wa láti jẹun.
Láti jẹun.
Yeah. Láti is to eat. Jẹun is eat. Alright? So, ó ti yá wa láti jẹun. And you could use it like say, we want to go somewhere in a group, carpool, and you say, ṣé ó ti yá yín láti lọ? And you say, ó ti yá wa láti lọ. Right? You don't mention the car, everybody knows you're going to go by vehicle. But ó ti yá wa láti lọ, right? Yeah is fast. Tètè, hurry. Tètè wọ bàtà ẹ. What does that mean? Tèmítọ́pẹ́?
Please go quickly.
Tètè wọ bàtà ẹ.
Run.
Wear your shoe. Quickly. Tètè wọ. Wear. Shoe. Bàtà. You don't know that bàtà is shoe? Ah. So that's a new word for you then. Bàtà.